Hello my friends, welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. Hope all of you are doing well. My name is Ellen. It is National Pound Cake Day and I am a big fan of pound cakes. So today I'm going to share with all of y'all one of my popular pound cake recipes, so Sista Pound Cake. And I have done this recipe here on my channel many years ago, but I decided to redo it and update it. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com, delicious, buttery, and this tastes like how your grandmother used to make. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. It is next level good. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more pound cake recipes, check out my pound cake recipes playlist and my previous video, peanut butter chip cookies. I'll post the link to those down below in the description box. So grab your Bundt pan, your flour, and your butter sugar, because we're about to bake some Soul Sister Pound Cake magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep up our flour. We need 3 cups of self-rising flour. So we're going to use my 1 cup measurement. We're going to fluff it up. And using my knife, we're going to level it off like so. And voila, perfect cup. And we're going to place it in my bowl and my sifter. That's 1. Again, we're going to fluff it up. And level it off. And that's 2 cups. And 3 cups. Perfect. So now we're going to sift our flour, or you can whisk it if you like. So now we're going to set the flour aside while we work on our wet ingredients. In my stand mixer with a paddle attachment, or you can use a large bowl with an electric hand mixer, I have 1½ cups, which is 3 sticks, or 24 tablespoons of unsalted butter at room temperature. And into our butter, we're going to add in 3 cups of white sugar. Seems like a lot, but remember, we're making a pound cake, and pound cake like it nice and sweet. And we're going to cream these on medium speed until they're fluffy. Alright my friends, to our butter and sugar, we're going to add in 5 extra large eggs at room temperature. Going to add them in one at a time. Alright, last egg. Continue mixing until it's well blended. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in 1/4 cup of half and half, which is half milk, half heavy cream. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, that's a cupful. And 2 teaspoons of pure butter extract. Going to give our pound cake a nice buttery flavor. And again, we're going to mix everything together until it's well combined. Alright my friends, now we're going to add in our self-rising flour alternately with 1 cup of my favorite milk, evaporated milk. We're going to begin and end with the flour. And always begin and end with flour. Going to give it a smoother cake batter. Last of the milk, and last of the flour. Mix until it's well incorporated. and be careful not to overmix. Alright my friends, our cake batter is complete. Look how nice and luscious that is. Creamy whipped batter. That looks great. And it smells good. I'm in butter heaven. Now we are ready to pour it into our Bundt pan. We're going to pour it in the 10-inch Bundt pan that I sprayed with baking spray. Alright, so now I'm going to shake it and bang it to get the air bubbles out. Now we are ready to place our pound cake in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to let it bake for an hour and a half. Your kitchen is going to smell amazing. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I have taken my pound cake out of the oven. I let it cool completely in the pan, and then I removed it from the pan and placed it on some wax paper, or you could place it on the cooling rack. Look how nice and golden brown that is. And it smells incredible. Smells like my grandmother's house. So now I'm about to place it onto my cake stand. Alright my friends, there you have it. So Sista Pound Cake. Doesn't that look good? And if you want, you can add on the glaze or dusting of powdered sugar if you like. But I'm just going to keep mine simple and plain. So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright my friends, I have fixed me up a great big southern slice, and I'm serving mine with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, or you can add on some whipped cream or some fresh berries, whatever your heart desire. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at this texture. Nice and moist. Look at that. Have a bite. Super buttery, decadent, and it's so moist it just melts in your mouth. Hope I made you proud, Granny. This soul sister did her thing. This pound cake is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. And I'm going to grab me a little ice cream. Yum-o. Soul sister, pound cake, licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. Also, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.